Hello there. In today's tutorial, I'm excited to walk you through the process of viewing your purchase history on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned eBay user or just starting out, knowing how to access your past purchases can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your eBay account. If you're a returning user, simply enter your credentials to gain access. However, if you're new to the platform, you'll need to create an account. You can do this by clicking on the Create an Account button. Here, you have the option to choose either a personal or business account, depending on your needs. Just fill out your full legal name, email address, and set a secure password. Once you've completed these steps, hit the Create Account button and you're all set. Alternatively, for a quicker setup, you can sign up using Google, Facebook, or Apple credentials. Now, let's explore the two primary methods to access your purchase history on eBay. If you're using the Seller's Hub, the layout might appear slightly different compared to the standard My eBay interface that I'll be demonstrating. For My eBay users, navigate to the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the Purchase History option, conveniently located just below the watch list and above the Buy Again sections. Your purchase history is a treasure trove of information, detailing all your transactions from the past months or even years. It's not only useful for reviewing past orders, but also essential if you need to initiate a return, complete a payment, or view specific order details. Within this section, you can filter your purchases by various categories, such as all purchases, processing, paid items, returns and cancellations, show hidden, ready for feedback, shipped, payment failed, and many more. To see everything you've ordered, click on All Purchases. This will display a comprehensive list of your transactions, along with options to contact sellers or return items if needed. Should you encounter any difficulties in accessing your purchase history, simply navigate to the Help and Contact section. Here, you can search for Purchase History to find a detailed step-by-step guide to assist you. Moreover, if you prefer accessing eBay through the mobile app, rest assured that the process is quite similar and equally user-friendly. Simply follow the same steps as you would on a desktop to view your purchase history on the go. And that's it for today's guide. I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to efficiently view your purchase history on eBay. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.